Welcome you all, my dear learners. I am Mrs. M. Suguna, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Now we are here to discuss about the subject Information Technology in Business. In particular, we are going to see about the topic Internet Protocols. Internet Protocol is a set of rules to be followed while transmitting data from one computer to another over the Internet. The most commonly used Internet protocols are Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol that is TCP/IP, File Transfer Protocol that is FTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol that is HTTP, Telnet, Gopher, Wide Area Information Service that is WAIS. First, let us discuss about the TCP/IP. It is actually a collection of protocols or rules that govern the way data travels from one machine to another across networks. The Internet is based on TCP/IP. TCP/IP has two major components, TCP and IP. The first component, TCP component, breaks data into packets that the network can handle efficiently. It verifies whether all the packets have arrived at their destination. It also reassembles the data. The IP component does the following, that is, it envelopes and addresses the data. It enables the network to read the envelope and forward the data to its destination. It defines how much data can fit in a single envelope, that is a packet. See in diagram, we can see from the sender there is a set of bits that is zeros and ones. It is enveloped into a packet and it is sent to the destination. At destination, the packet is converted again into consecutive set of bits, that is data. Next comes the protocol, File Transfer Protocol. It is a part of TCP/IP protocol set. It is the protocol or set of rules which enables files to be transferred between computers. It is a powerful tool which allows files to be transferred from computer A to computer B or vice versa. See in diagram, there is a bidirectional, that is from A to B the file can go and from B to A also the file can go. So FTP works on what principle? Client server principle. A client program enables the user to interact with the server in order to access information and services on the server computer. Files that can be transferred or stored on computers called FTP servers. To access these files, an FTP client program is used. This is an interface that allows the user to locate the files to be transferred and indicate the transfer process. The basic steps to use FTP are connect to the FTP server, navigate the file structure to find the file we want, transfer the file. Anonymous FTP allows a user to access a wealth of publicly available information. No special account or password is needed. There are a variety of files that are publicly available through anonymous FTP. They are shareware, freeware, upgrades and batches, and documents also. Files on FTP servers are often compressed. Compression decreases file size. This enables more files to be stored on the server and makes file transfer time short. Decompressed using appropriate software. Good idea is to current virus checking software on computer before file are transferred to it. See in diagram, we can see the FTP client and FTP server. The data will be transferred between them in format of what? Files. So first is the client sends the command and FTP server replaces it with the file it needed. Third protocol is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So it is a protocol or set of rules that governs the transfer of hypertext between two or more computers. The World Wide Web encompasses the universe of information that is available via HTTP. Hypertext is text that is specially coded using a standard system called hypertext markup language. The HTML codes are used to create links. These links can be textual or graphic, and when clicked on can link the user to another resource such as other HTML documents, text files, graphics, animation, and sound. HTTP is based on the client-server principle. HTTP allows computer A, that is the client, to establish a connection with computer B, that is server, and make a request. The server accepts the connection indicated by the client and sends back a response. When a user selects a hypertext link, the client program on their computer uses HTTP to contact the server, identify a resource, and ask the server to respond with an action. The server accepts the request and then uses HTTP to respond to or perform the action. HTTP also provides access to other Internet protocols like File Transfer Protocol, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, Network News Transfer Protocol via Gopher, Telnet, etc. See in diagram, we can see the HTTP client and it connects to the server. There is resources such as hypertext links, that is website addresses. Next comes the protocol Telnet. Telnet is a protocol or set of rules that enables one computer to connect to another computer. This process is also referred to as remote login. The user's computer which initiates the connection is called as the local computer. The machine being connected to which accepts the connection is referred to as the remote or host computer. Once connected, the user's computer emulates the remote computer when the user types in commands. They are executed on the remote computer. The user's monitor displays what is taking place on the remote computer during the telnet session. Some remote machines may require a user to have an account on the machine and may prompt users for a username and password. Many resources such as library catalogs are available via Telnet without an account and password. Telnet also operates on client-server principle. Telnet allows the user to access Internet resources on other computers such as databases, Internet tools such as FTP, Gopher, and www, etc. See in diagram, we can see the Telnet client is typing here. It will be visible to the Telnet server, that is remote computer, and the result will be displayed again on the client's monitor. The fifth protocol is Gopher. Gopher is a protocol designed to search, retrieve, and display terminals from remote sites on the internet. In addition to document display, document retrieval, it is possible to indicate online connections with other systems via Gopher. It accomplishes this using the client-server model of users running client of software on their local machines that provide an interface that interacts with remote servers or computers that have information of interest. Information accessible via Gopher is stored on many computers that all over the internet. These computers are called Gopher servers. Turbo Gopher is a Gopher client application. Gopher client software exists for most computer platforms. Gopher can work with the following internet tools or systems: search local WAIS indices, query remote WAS servers, and send back results to Gopher client. Query remote FTP sites and sends back results to Gopher client. Queried by www clients either using built-in Gopher querying or using native HTTP querying. The last protocol is WAIS, that is Wide Area Information Service. It is an internet search tool that is based on the EZ39.50 standard. The EZ39.50 standard describes a protocol or set of rules for computer-to-computer information retrieval. It also works on client-server principle. A WAIS client program enables the user's computer to contact a WAIS server, submit a search query, and receive a response to that query. WAIS has the capability of simultaneously searching in more than one database. Depending on the WAIS client software used, the database name either can be selected using mouse or typed using keyboard. WAIS helps to search data in database by allowing users to specify word to search, and it returns the indices where the requested words are available. So that's all about the internet protocol. Now we are going to see the questions. Your time to answer the questions. Give your answer in comment box. Here there are two questions. The first question is Internet Protocol version 6 supports dash bit addresses, whether it is 64 or 128 or 32 or 16. And the second question is who coined the terms hypertext and hypermedia? Again, the questions are Internet Protocol version 6 supports dash bit address, and second one is who coined the terms hypertext and hypermedia. So give your answer in the comment box by specifying the question number. Thank you all, my dear learners. Let us see in next video. Once again, thank you all.